Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to discuss about keywords in Python. So now we see keywords in Python. So what is a keyword means? These words are defined for some special purpose. These are designed for some special operations. So what are the keywords available in Python means? So one is true. So true, false. These two are the Boolean values. We cannot use these keywords as a variable names. So next one, none. So none means if you are assigning nothing to a variable, then we can initiate that variable using none. Next one, in. We can use in two ways. One is for checking, second one is for iterations. Next one is. So is used to check the references of the variable. Next, and operator. This is used for combine the statements. Or also is used to combine the statements. Next one, not operator. It's a inverse of the value. For example, true, not true becomes false. So as operator, it is used for create alias names. For example, a name is created as a, for example, stu name. Now I can create these alias names to the stu name. stu name as yes. So now s is the alias name to the stu name. Next, if, else, else if. These three are used in branching. Next, continue, break. These two are the unconditional statements. Next, assert. Assert is used to check the condition. Next, def. So def is used to define a function. Class is used to create a new class. Try, except, rise, finally. These four we are using in exception handling. Del is used to delete a object. So del is used to delete a object. Global keyword is used to define a variable globally. For we are using in looping. So for is used in looping. Another one is while. While is also a keyword. So these two are the same. Next one, import. Importing modules into your program. For importing submodules from module. So how we can import the submodule from the module means by using the from. So return keyword is used to return a value. Pass, do nothing. So non-local is used to use the non-local variable that is not defined inside the function. So lambda is used to define one line function.